Welcome back to the channel. I have a unboxing to do with a great company that they like us, they trust us, and Garvee, my log tongs have been amazing. I love the way they work. There's been a few purchases, and all because of our videos, and I love it. And they sent me this gas can, and it's going to eliminate 3 of my 5-gallon cans because I want to put everything in one spot, and this is going to do that. So let's take a look at it. Gas can is a gas can, but what Garvee is offering is a gas can goodness, that is on a caddy. Oh, and there's more. It has a fuel nozzle that comes with it. There is a system that makes this thing operate. We're going to get into that more. This is just the unboxing. And we're going to have this thing in action in no time. Stay with me. Now that we have the unboxing done, this is the 15-gallon Garvee fueling station. For me, this thing's going to eliminate 3 of my fuel cans. I got too many fuel cans, but it is a fueling station. It is a gravity feed, and you need to understand that. It's not got a battery-powered motor, or it's not a pump station. We'll put it that way. Gravity feed, where it has benefits for that, is you run out of battery or things go to crap, this is going to fuel up whatever you need fueled up if you don't have power. I know most fueling stations probably plug into the vehicle that it's on, but this is portable and it makes it easy. So once you get it filled up and you're ready to take it to go fuel things, you can bring your tractor around. This is where it helps when you have land and use a lot of equipment, is you can bring your tractor to the back of the truck, wheel it into it once it's full. It comes with a ratchet strap to secure it, and being that it's a gravity feed, I can take it anywhere with my tractor and fill up everything I've got on our property because I can lift it up high enough. Lawn mowers, you would never have to lift it. My side-by-side, my mini-X, my sawmill, I'd have to have it on this tractor. Outside of that, smaller equipment, it'll absolutely gravity feed to that. I think it's going to be very, very useful for us on this farm. Residential, I mean, the most they're filling up is lawn mowers. They would never have to have an elevated fuel can. They could use this, roll it up in the garage, and never have an issue with it. But for me, I have to pick it up. So I have to take it to what I'm going to fill up. I believe it's going to benefit us quite a bit, and I appreciate Garvee for giving us the opportunity to try this out, show it to you guys and explain what it is. It does have 2 shut-off valves, which is nice because you can shut the tank off and you can shut the hose off separately. That's huge. That helps out a lot. But that's it. That is the unboxing. It's got a great vented gas cap. But outside of that, can't wait to use it and get rid of some gas cans. Well, thank you for joining me, and I believe if you find this product to be useful to you, I believe if you buy this product, you'll be happy with it.
If you're interested in purchasing this, you can find this in our Amazon store. Our Amazon store link is in the description of this video. Just go to the off-grid solar section and you can purchase this straight from our Amazon store.
We'll talk to you later.